Welcome to VK Universal Family Foundation, where we are transforming India's future through child education. As an organization aligned with UN Sustainable Development Goals 4 and 5, we've already impacted over 100 students across 4 Indian states, maintaining an exceptional 95% student retention rate. Our foundation combines the power of education with the Sanskrit principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, one universal family. The challenge we face today is significant. 27% of girl students drop out after losing their primary breadwinner, while 62% of single-parent households struggle with education expenses. But through our comprehensive support system, we are changing these statistics. Our impact speaks volumes, with a 95% retention rate among supported students and 80% showing marked academic improvement. Our vision is crystal clear: a world where every child has access to quality education, regardless of family circumstances. This vision is supported by our mission to empower children who have lost their primary breadwinner. What sets us apart is our commitment to zero administrative costs and 100% fund utilization, ensuring every rupee reaches its intended beneficiary. Our approach is built on 4 pillars: priority to girl children, ensuring sustained education support, personalized care with individual attention and regular family visits, a volunteer-driven model with zero administrative costs, and transparent operations with direct payments and open communication. Our impact architecture focuses on comprehensive support, strong community connections, and long-term commitment. Strong governance is the foundation of our organization. As a Section 8 company with CSR Form 1 approval, we maintain rigorous compliance standards. Our multi-tier committee structure, from board of directors to project committee, ensures thorough oversight and efficient execution. Our financial management excellence is reflected in zero administrative costs and 100% digital transactions. Our strategic programs deliver measurable impact. We provide tailored financial assistance of an average 3,000 rupees monthly per student, with direct payments to educational institutions. Our mobility support initiative has distributed over 500 bicycles, resulting in a 42% increase in attendance. Implementation excellence is ensured through rigorous selection, monitoring, reporting, and evaluation processes. Progress tracking is integral to our success. We maintain comprehensive academic tracking with monthly report card reviews, regular family connect through visits and assessments, and thorough documentation of every student's journey. Each beneficiary's progress is meticulously monitored and reported, ensuring transparency and accountability. Our impact metrics tell a compelling story: 95% student retention compared to a 65% baseline, 80% showing academic improvement, and 42% participation in extracurricular activities. But beyond numbers, our success is reflected in individual achievements, from IIT admissions to state-level sports excellence. Looking ahead, our growth strategy focuses on 4 key areas: strategic district focus in Vizianagaram and Srikakulam, beneficiary growth targeting 500+ students by 2029, program scaling to reach 10,000 students through our bicycle program, and operational enhancement through digital systems integration. Today, we invite you to be part of this transformative journey into impactful ways. For corporations, as a CSR Form 1 registered organization, we offer a fully compliant channel for your CSR investments with complete documentation and reporting. Our zero administrative cost model ensures every rupee of your CSR funds creates direct impact. For individual donors, we provide ATG certification, enabling you to claim tax benefits while making a difference. Whether through supporting a student at an average 36,000 rupees per annum or contributing to our bicycle program at 4,000 rupees per unit, every contribution helps build futures. What makes this partnership unique is our commitment to transparency and engagement. Join us in this mission to transform lives through education. With VK Universal Family Foundation, your support creates not just educated individuals, but empowered communities.